Hey guys, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create some sort of 2D style effect. As you can see here, different kinds of style with the same trick. Very simple one. Now you start with the line, an EP curve tool, and then you create a circle and you snap it on the curve, as you can see here. Then you extrude the circle on the curve. Then you convert the NURBS to a polygon. You can see I'm scaling here with this circle. And now the trick is to just move the vertices of this polygon. And then when you go back and scale down the circle, it gets interesting or weird. Now, after you're creating that, then you can put a mesh light and a volume light on this object. And I'm playing with the colors and the shaders, just to have a more interesting look to it. Now I'm keyframing the circle, the scale of the circle. So if you put it on a very minimum scale, it gets this kind of weirdness. It gets jerky. And when you play with the scale, it moves. So you get an interesting, vibrating, cool effect. Like this and that. Here is another example. Then I'm duplicating the curve, just to have two of them, one on top of the other. And I'm keyframing both of them to look the same, but in a different path, I would say. So I'm moving the vertices on the duplicate so it will be a bit different. Then I'm putting a volume material on both, and both of them are mesh light with volume. But one of them is light visible and the other is not. I'm playing with the numbers of the volume and the exposure or the intensity of the light or the density of the volume light to get a desirable result. You can play with it. So here's an example that I got, that one of them is more visible and the other is just a volume of light. When you're playing with it more, you can get to this kind of result, and I'm rendering it 12 frames per second just to get a 2D style look to it. That's it, very simple, and don't forget to play and push the boundaries of your style.